This is data classes for people in a hurry. Data classes are a built-in feature of Python that allow you to quickly bring structure to your data with a minimum of code. As always, you'll find everything I cover here in the Python SpeedSheet. Data classes introspect classes for fields and then automatically generates all the necessary methods. They're decorated with a data class decorator and they consist of a list of fields and their types. First, let's import our data class. Next, add the data class decorator and then define the class itself. And finally, add our fields name, type. And now this little bit of code replaces everything you see over here. Create a new instance the way you would for any class. Set the initial values by passing them in as parameters. To access or modify the value of a field, just use .fieldName. You can set the initial value of a field with equals and that value. Define a field as a list or dict by setting their types to list or dict, but default them to empty lists or dicts by using the awkward field function. For that, import field on top, add the field function to your fields with default factory equal to a lambda that returns an empty list or dict. Yeah, it's a mouthful. Now, because data classes are just regular classes, you can add and use methods just like you would anywhere else. Finally, to make your data class immutable, just set frozen equal to true. And this has been Python's data classes in a hurry. To get you going, find all of this and more in the Python SpeedSheet. Just search for data class. You'll also find other useful things you can do with data classes, such as dealing with constructor issues, converting to or from dicts, or check to see if something is actually a data class. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please give this a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. And please go check out the Python SpeedSheet. And if you like that, please share it with others. That helps a lot. This has been Tim O. Thanks for watching and happy programming.